CFA Level 1 Ethics Part 3. GIPS, the Global Investment Performance Standard, GIPS, is optional based on the fundamental principles of full disclosure and fair presentation of investment performance results. GIPS compliance effects. By choosing to comply with the GIPS standards, investment management assures prospective clients that the historical track record they report is both complete and fairly presented. Every firm that actually manages assets may choose to comply with GIPS standards, even though it is not legally required. What misleading practices GIPS solves? Representative accounts, selecting top performing portfolio to represent the firm's overall results, which means simply choosing the best. 2. Survivorship bias, presenting a history that excludes poor performance portfolios terminated from the firm, eliminating the worst. 3. Varying time periods, presenting performance from a selected time period in which the firm had excellent returns, picking the best time. Compliance to GIPS is a firm-wide basis. It needs to be 100%. To become compliant with GIPS, firms focus on the definition of the firm, definition of discretion, and firms' composite definitions. GIPS standards require the use of composites. Composites is composing multiple similar investments portfolios together. Verification to GIPS must be done by an independent third party and not by the firm itself. The goals of the GIPS Executive Committee are to establish investments industry best practices, to obtain worldwide acceptance of a single standard for calculation and investment performance, to promote accurate investment performance data, to encourage fair competition, and to foster the notion of industry self-regulation. Last but not least, the 9 major sections of GIPS standards: fundamentals of compliance, input data and calculation methodology, composite construction, disclosure, reporting and presentation, real estate, private equity, wrap fee SMA portfolios. Wrap fee means a bundle of services provided for the investment client. Thank you and have a blessed day from Rank 1.